Hey Mark, it's good to have you in here, man. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for inviting me.
Oh my God! When I first met you, like this year May, right?
Yeah, I think we met in.
Mobile Growth Summit.
Yeah,
So, but I felt that you know what, we should talk, we should hang out. Thank you so much for having.
I was
Yeah,
telling you, man,
yeah.
come on, let's take hookah.
Let's stay hook about it and work out. But let's now it's just doing the show.
Sure.
So I am super interested in what you do. I know Lenmo is a cool app, and you guys been how long you guys been working for this?
So now we launched it almost a year. So
Okay.
we're gonna be like exactly a year in
Wow.
a week. So that's
Cool. So can you tell a little bit about you yourself because you're like me, like immigrant, foreigner, the entrepreneur in here. Like a little bit about yourself and then the Lenmo, please.
Okay, cool. So I mean, I'm Mark Maurice, and I'm the founder and CEO of Lenmo.
Yes.
And like my background is engineering. I started engineering in Egypt, and then I did my masters in London, and then now I'm pursuing my PhD in here in San Francisco Bay Area. I started my career in Africa.
Oh, wow.
So I started my career in like Nigeria, Kenya, Tanzania.
But you're Egyptian.
Yeah, I'm Egyptian. But
Okay.
I mean, I started my career in like South Africa up till South Sudan.
Okay.
So that's where I started my career. I used to live there for 9 years, going around like 28 countries over there.
How long you been living in San Francisco?
So now we are like, I'm now like 6, 7 years.
Okay, wow.
So,
What
yeah.
makes you take like came from the you first go Egypt to Africa, then San Francisco. What makes you to come to here?
I mean, like, definitely the opportunity. I mean, like, San Francisco is one of the hubs for technology, and there
Yeah.
was like a great opportunity for us to expand and, explore your own ideas.
Yep.
That's what the passion that we came with. So that's.
But the first reason you came to for school, right? The San Francisco.
No, I
Well,
came.
just like for the do the business.
Yeah, I came first for business, and then I had some interesting topics in my mind, some problems which we're gonna talk
Yeah.
about, and that's what made me do my PhD.
Oh wow! So you did a PhD, you came here, and then Lenmo is just a year old. But did you try anything before the Lenmo?
So before Lenmo, in US, I had
Yeah.
a consulting company that helped, companies here in the Bay Area to expand regionally in Africa.
Oh.
And actually, I used to travel a lot from San Francisco to Africa, like almost like 5 countries per month, like only Africa, like Ethiopia, Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Africa.
How is there? Is it cool?
I love it, man.
Really?
I love Africa. I mean,
When
you should
yeah,
visit.
let's go together, man. When is the last time you went to Africa?
Last time, like before Lenmo, just
Oh,
like,
really?
yeah.
So Lenmo, like, yeah, wow.
So now Lenmo, yeah, stopped us from.
So then you've been working on a different project and you've been doing consulting as an Africa expert, right? So because for me, I'm in Africa is honestly I'm from Turkey, but Africa is like so far to me. I don't know because I mean
It's not.
not so
like
many
yeah. Well, the Turkish Airways goes everywhere in
everywhere,
Africa.
right? Wow. This is a commercial, by the way. That's cool. So, and then you started the Lenmo a year ago, and you have a team in here, and I believe in Egypt too, right?
Yeah, so we have 3 teams. We
Okay.
have mainly a team here. We have a design team here. We have myself, and we
Okay.
have another marketing team here. We have the CTO and the partnership director in Toronto, Canada. And we
Wow.
have our development team is in Egypt.
This is like a new way to do the business, right?
Yeah.
It's just like I mean, it's so boring to having everybody in the same office.
Yeah, I don't know why we waste time, like in
Yeah.
traffic coming here.
I know,
Have
I'm
Uber
sorry.
cancel on me 4 times to come to your office. So,
Yeah, wow. So you have a like fully distributed team in 3 different region. So can you tell a little bit about the Venmo? What is Lenmo solving? Because I know the Lenmo, and when I first met you, I didn't believe that is a startup for that. So Lenmo is basically does
Yeah, so Lenmo is a lending platform that connects
Okay.
borrowers with lenders, and lenders can vary between financial institution, lending business, and individuals.
So I
All
can
of-
be a lender.
You can be a lender in our platform, and it gives access to small amount loan market. And what made us interested about small amount loan market, because one of the huge problem that we have in the market right now is the payday loan industry, and how they actually charge a very high interest rate. And this is because this is part of my studies, and I was so excited about this, and I found like, and I wrote an article about if the payday loan is harmful or not. And
Oh, wow.
one of the things is that we found that actually they are not. Their business model is built on different factors, and
Yep.
they are not like so much profitable because they charge high interest rate, but their business model actually is like, is like high operational cost and high default rate. And we believe that technology is going to help them and help anyone in the market to minimize the interest rate.
But you're not banker. I mean, you didn't study. Like, did you study finance?
No, I studied business, like
Business.
business.
Okay.
But I mean, mainly my dissertation, my topic is gonna be about like a prediction model for predicting a default rate, small amount loan market.
Because when I just like sign up the Lenmo and I try to be like the borrower, I need to connect my social security. This is only work right now in US, right?
Yeah, now it's only in US.
On the US, but I can set up how much interest rate I wanna charge the person, right? This is how it
No,
works.
actually, you just request the loan. So you, as a borrower, you
set-
choose the
you-
amount and
okay.
you choose the
Interest rate.
the payback period.
Ah.
So basically, I want to borrow like $400 for 3 months, and then I will request a loan.
Who's gonna give me the money? That's pretty much right. You put yourself as a listing and say, "This is what I needed. This is how much I'm gonna pay back." And people like me, borrower or someone institution, they take a look. They see your credit score.
So they see the
Yeah.
full credit report, they see your history, and they see also an aggregated data from your bank account, your last 3 months of bank statement.
Oh wow!
All is visually represented for a way that you can read as a lender, and based on that, you will offer an interest rate.
So this is like pretty much, I mean, money problem solved.
I mean, yeah. I mean, definitely, it's easy,
easy.
and it's unique because for first time, you as a borrower will apply for a loan, and you will get multiple offers from multiple investors or multiple lenders.
Yeah.
And this is what's unique about us. I mean, now if you shop for a loan,
Yep.
I mean, how long is gonna take for you to get verified, or they
And
call you, they ask
also
you questions.
keep sending all the mails. And
Oh yeah, keep sending you all mails,
Yeah.
spam your phone, and like we verify you through data sources. You never do anything. You just put your social security number, and we take a selfie for your face. We use a machine learning technology to compare your face with the ID that you submitted.
Wow.
We verify that the ID is actually a real ID, and you are the real person behind the ID. And we verify also your bank account. We have 5 verification points, and then
you try to make it as fraud free as you can.
Yeah, for sure.
Wow, so it's interesting because you're not from here, you're not a banker, but you just come up this idea with I believe you have a co-founder too, right?
Yeah, so I have 2 co-founders.
Amazing.
Albert is our partnership director, and I
Okay.
have John, he's our CTO.
Wow.
And they are once we started the company, they was with us from the beginning of the journey. Now, I mean, we started a year ago, and now we have 24 employees that are working in a company.
Amazing, 24, man. Big time. Wow. So, and like you have a 3 co-founder, they've been like with you since in the beginning. And so how much you guys raised total?
So we just raised $500,000 till now,
Okay.
so that's what we raised. But currently we are raising another round of $3
cool.
million.
$3 million?
And we did a good progress on this round, and we are expecting to close.
So you raised about like $500,000 how long ago? Like 6, 7
like
months?
a year ago.
Year
so
ago?
that's a pre-launch round.
Oh wow. So because
So we actually moved fast since we started. I mean, we started in February last year.
Okay.
And in 8 months, we just get our product out. We
Grow,
did a
grow,
partnership with Douala, with TransUnion, the credit bureau, and a lot of partnerships like to get the app. We got featured also by Apple. The second month we launched,
Cool.
and this has give us like a huge traction, and we moved.
Who's doing your growth? Do you do any growth? Because early days as the founder of the company, you do like payroll and HR, growth, marketing, cleaning the toilet, everything.
Yeah, that's what we do in daily basis.
Yeah, wow.
Till now.
till now, and amazing because like this is like the channel also like to want to showcase how the founder's daily routine. So you have a team and fully distributed. Like what time you get up and you just like what are you using for the like connecting all the entire team?
Oh, I mean, like
I'm interested in this kind of.
yeah, for sure. I mean, look, because one of the things that we have that our team is like in different time zones.
Yeah.
So I have Jean and Albert in Toronto, Canada, like 3 hours, and I have the team in Egypt like 9 hours.
Okay.
So actually, we work in different time zones. So I basically wake up like 5. but that's at the beginning now. John is the one who's doing this, but I mean, yeah, I mean, we wake up early.
It's tough. It's tough. But you're solving the one of the biggest problems, especially in the U.S. I mean, I was feeling that, you know what, if I needed $300, I asked my mom or like my brother or my friend. But can you tell a little bit the consumer behavior? These are what type of users you guys mostly like chasing or go after?
Okay, I mean, it's good that you hand about the friend and family piece,
Yeah.
because this is also part of the target market that we look for, and this is a new unique opportunity that nobody
Interesting.
applied before, like served this market. And one of the things that you can connect your Facebook, I can connect my Facebook, and
Okay.
if we are friend on Facebook, I can see you as a blue card in my app, and
Ah,
this is means friend and family. So
verify.
that's gonna allow a new market of social lending that will help. We will help serve this kind of market. And one of the things like. For example, Mexican community
Yeah.
or Asian community, that they have someone who lends to the whole community,
Yeah.
and he don't have like a platform to manage all the loan process, and this is a unique opportunity for them to, and instead of like calling you and
Yeah.
hey, you know what, man, you didn't pay me.
Yeah.
You just like through the app automatically will transfer the money.
And then you can just very transparent, and you can see like who's like lending money from you. I assume that is like if someone doesn't pay me back, what's happening? So do you?
So we send the money to the collection company. So we
Ah,
provide a collection service on behalf of the lender. And what's unique about that for example, who's gonna take? I mean, if you're an individual, who's
yeah.
gonna take your collection company or take you to collection company for one loan?
Yeah.
So we take all this as a bulk and send
Ah.
it to collection company. And once they paid, we automatically transfer to your account.
Wow, man, it's crazy. So, but let's talk about a little bit about the for the future growth, because you're right now about to close the new funding. Or
Yeah.
oh, cool, $3 million.
So yeah.
Wow. So what's gonna be focused on that 3 million? More market, more
Yeah, so
expression?
basically that's, I mean, in the previous stage we used to focus on product development, getting product to the market, understanding user behavior and all of that. But starting from now we will focus more on scale. So we will invest more in marketing, more in, like media and PR, all this kind of...
So the focus is like as a group, age group. So do you define already like you just
So most of our age group is like millennials,
okay, millennials?
and up. So I mean, like
Yeah.
I would say like up to 45.
So you're a mobile first company, right?
Yeah. So we came mobile first, and basically we depend on mobile technology for verifying all of. And this is what's unique about mobile technology. Now the phone gives you the opportunity to take selfie,
Yeah.
to use the Face ID, all of this, it gives you an opportunity for easy verification process and all of that stuff.
Wow, amazing. So that like, and then you added that money to like you have a Spark, and I see like your app is pretty visible in App Store, and this will be cool when you have a $3 million. Is there anybody helping you, or the investors are reaching out to you? What was because this is like also very interesting. A lot of people outside of the U.S. they're saying, "Oh, Silicon Valley is every investor waiting for you to give you money." It's not.
It's not, yeah. Actually, that's the hardest part in the company. I mean, I wish I can be like a guy who focus on product, and I
Yeah.
think we'll do
I
a great
know.
product. But I mean, you have to
Yeah.
like you have to go after investors. You have to ask them for money, and even investors, they like people who approach them.
Yeah.
So they don't like. They feel like when you approach them, that means you have capability to approach the customers. So
Yeah, this is not like this. It's good that you have an inbound people interested in you, but still you need to do all the work. The founders, I always say to people, you know what? I mean, you shouldn't focus the stuff you can only do, and the founders, what they need to focus. A, they should make sure that is they have a money in the bank, and B, to just keep hiring the people.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, right?
This is one of the things, and this is what I usually tell the team. Whatever problems we have to keep going. I mean,
Yeah.
even if we don't have money in the bank, we have to keep going. I mean, this is the only way that
Or you can borrow from money from your own app, Lenmo. You can say, "Oh, we are raising another $1 million, $2 million. Do you want to invest us?" Yeah, why not? So that the thing is that the investors part. So I mean, even if you have the money or if you don't have the money, so you are solving the big problem and you're just like touching people's life. This is very important, and that's the another motivation source for up and running the business, right? Because you're saying that you're getting up 5 a.m. So I don't know what time you go sleep. Are you married?
No, I'm not.
You just fully like committed to yourself.
Full, yeah, I'm married, Len.
Oh, Lenmo, yeah. So this is actually the first couple of years. I mean, you need to be focused, and your company, it's your baby. I mean, honestly, even if you scale, if you like turn to be 50, 100 people, then you'll have a different the problem. I call this thing like champagne problem, because I mean, you just feel that is like, are we growing fast enough, or are we just hiring the good people? It's amazing. So $3 million, you're just gonna add this money for this grow the business. And any overseas plan? You're gonna do like Europe?
I mean, yeah, definitely we have a future plan, but you know, first I need to focus on the US market, make
US
sure
market.
that we have an establishment here and we have a strong position, and definitely we'll go either expand regionally, like in other countries, or you know, like also add different product or add more into the portfolio, because we can I mean, one of our things that we are a fully digitized lending platform, that you know there is no human involvement in the lending process.
So what's the your millennials mostly spending their money? They all keep saying, "Are you buying avocado toast and coffee?" Is this really true? Like, I mean, do you have any like kind of like insight to share with us?
One of the things that, you know, I don't know why people ask, but I mean, we don't ask why they are gonna spend the money. So
cool.
I mean,
I like it. I love it already. Yeah.
Because I mean, like, you can I mean, if I'm lending you, I don't need like to force you to spend it in my way.
Yeah.
But I mean, one of the things that we believe, and we believe in data. So your data is gonna speak on you. So we aggregate the data of you from your bank account to know your. We show your income, your stability of the income. We allow you, you know, you show your data in the bank account, and also we show your credit report, and we need people to evaluate based on only data. So we don't want people to evaluate borrower based on race, ethnicity, gender, or even why they're gonna use the money.
Yeah.
So we don't show the identity
because
of the borrower.
a lot of like the lenders, when they reach out, you say, oh, where are you gonna use you're gonna use advertising. Yeah, even if they don't track where you're spending, they still asking you guys, not asking anything, right? When you got the money, you're good to go. You can spend anywhere you want to spend, as long as you're gonna pay back.
Yeah, that's
That's the important thing. So yeah, I mean, this is like pleasure to talk with you and learning about the Lenmo and about you. And finally, I want to ask you like the advice, like the people like you, the foreigner entrepreneur or entrepreneur the first time. You're the first time entrepreneur.
Yeah,
I'm first time entrepreneur. So what was the thing you done, and you can say, oh, you know what, I shouldn't done it? Or is there any like, you know, I don't know, just when you're beginning in the Lenmo, is there anything you can say, you know what, I wish I knew this thing before?
I mean, I would say that you never regret any decision that you take, because you know each stage have its own decision making.
Yeah.
And you know, like, you know, sometimes people will tell you, hey, you know what, I mean, why you took this decision, was wrong, but actually at early stage you have no tools, and the decision you make, never regret it. Whatever happened is happened. Think about the future more. That's the first advice. Second, don't delay any decision. So, I mean, whatever you get, just take the decision immediately and move forward, because time is worth more than, you know, like wrong decisions.
Yeah.
And this is what I usually tell my team. Like, you know what? I mean, I need like a quick decision than more than, you know, just looking at how we can do this, or doing, or you know, like the way that we do this.
It's like more like a done is better than perfect.
Yeah.
Wow, it's an amazing. So you're saying do not delay any decision. The worst decision, I mean, it's worst action actually better than like, you know, the just thinking about it. Wow. So it's pretty cool, man. Because I mean, we keep hearing this stuff all the time. But when I first met you, I love the idea. I said, oh my God, why I didn't like taught this thing? So, but are you the only one right now is doing this thing? Is similar for the focus market?
I mean, like in terms of technology, like the app technology, we are the first one.
But everybody's doing like lending money and borrowing. This.
Like you have Lending Club and Prosper, but they focus on big amount loan market. We have a market that's underserved by the banks and financial institution, and also given access to the data also is unique to us, like the kind of data that we show about the borrower. We are the only one in the market that show this huge information about this borrower in this segment.
Oh, thank you so much, man.
Thank you so
that
much.
was an amazing talk.
I really appreciate it,
you know
man.
what? I don't want to end this thing. We should do it one more time, maybe a couple more
Next time I'm gonna interview you.
Oh, there you go. That will be amazing, man. Thank you so
Thank
much
you so much.